So I'm Mike from Panspermia Productions. This is Anthony, and then we got Jimbo over here. We're gonna settle an age-old debate. What's better, pancakes or French toast?
Come on, what are you doing?
Bias. Bias, I used to say.
Yeah. I'm gonna be the defining.
You cut yours before the syrup?
You should do a bite with and without syrup. That's only fair.
That's fair. That's fair.
only fair.
That is fair. We should try it without it. I agree with that. Look at these standards. I'm totally non-biased.
Sure, I'm gonna let you know if we're off to a good start or not.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see what's going on.
Drizzle, bang bang.
That business is
That seems appropriate.
That business is good. Dude, that's good business.
That was really good.
All right, so no syrup. Let's see. By the way, before we even get into this, I'm picking French toast. I'm biased. We're
Pancakes. It's gonna be the pancake. Who doesn't love a good pancake?
Oh my god, that's so good.
It's really
Without
good.
the syrup. Goddamn, Drew.
Flavorful.
Good stuff, buddy.
You savages. Put it on the side.
On the side, what are you doing?
Dunk it.
Should we have gotten you a bowl?
Powdered sugar.
Oh,
You a little
Really
sharper
good.
now.
Sweet.
that's what you know what I love about French toast is you can taste that egg.
Yeah.
It's like
Yo!
It's like soft in the middle,
yeah,
almost like spongy.
it's so good. It's
And
so
it has
delicious.
crust. A crust.
The sponginess, yeah, like that little. It's
like a
like
spring.
pancakes just don't have it. They don't have the same.
Take some French toast.
Hey, you finish that.
This is how I feel on the inside. I'm ready.
So we're ready for
Ready
some
to.
pancakes,
I'm
are
ready.
we? We're ready for pancakes.
See
Is
what
that what's
going on.
happening?
I haven't seen the pancakes or the waffles yet.
I have not seen these. I have syrup on my upper lip, and it's a great thing.
Oh, we got a stack coming
Look at
in.
those. Wow.
You must be a jackass, like in the Packers.
Yeah. Well, you know
Oh,
what?
look at that! Oh!
Steaming.
I'm already a doubter. They look good, but let's see.
It's a doubter.
They're flavorful.
Look at how you treat the butter. You gotta caress the butter, swirling the butter. Oh
It
man!
is.
And then we go ahead and we do something like this.
Jemima.
What?
Let me go.
Anyway, I can get smacked with some powdered sugar. Can I get a smack?
Oh my lord.
Thirsty. It's sort of like that eggy, like Jimbo was saying, like that eggy, like.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, okay, Drew's here. Drew's here with waffles. Thank you, buddy.
Oh,
All right, as tradition, go ahead, bud.
wow, these are big.
Yeah, they are. Look at that. I
Wow.
feel like one's gonna be appropriate.
Wow.
Did anyone pick waffles? Could waffles be like a dark
This
horse
is-
sleeper?
They could be a dark horse.
It
Look
is.
at that
No
bite
one
right
picked
there. That was
waffles.
so good. You see that butter? Oh,
Wow.
man. You had good butter on that.
Wow. Happy syrup right there.
I'll tell you right now. So I came into this thing thinking right off the bat, French toast is gonna be dead last. French toast was not dead last, but it sure shit ain't first.
You think the
Unless
waffles
this
last? Wow.
syrup, unless this syrup does something incredible.
Wow.
Unless it does
Waffle
something
day.
incredible to this waffle right now. I'm going with
Second
the
place.
pancake.
Second place waffles.
I might put French toast
If it
second.
was a better waffle iron, it'd have more of a crispy crust.
And it's still good.
Phenomenal.
Don't get me wrong, still good.
I got that buttery bite. That buttery bite that you were looking at, that was good.
Oh, you
Is it all the same?
fucking bastard.
No, it's all different, all three different batters.
I mean, I think if we're talking filling, the waffle definitely
The,
takes the
the
cake.
waffle is filling. The
But-
pancake is better. The pancake
Pancake
is
was
best.
fluffy.
French toast waffles last.
I got waffle last too.
Yeah.
The more I
I
eat
do
it,
have waffle last. No offense to the waffle maker.
I don't care.
Pancake, French toast, waffle.
I feel like if the waffle was crispier, it would have been that game changer, but a little too spongy for my taste. It wasn't that it was bad, but yeah, I'm gonna go French toast, pancakes, waffles.
Pancake, French toast, waffle.
French toast, pancake, waffle.
Unreal.
The waffle was good, but the French toast got the flavor.
Yeah, I think easily French toast comes out on top.
Yep.
Boom.
Pancake.
French
Dark
toast.
horse sleeper.
All right, that was fun, boys. Good job, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks for having me.
Oh, it was your idea. Fucking,
Yeah, it was your idea.
I couldn't do it without you.